All right, Jim Beaver out here in my hometown of Parker, Arizona with a brand new SX-R 160 fresh out of the crate. Spent all my time on smaller jet skis, so we're going to take this thing out today, do a little filming and see what it can do, and I'll give you my impressions when I get back. And we're back after a ride, put about, I don't know, maybe 10 miles on this thing. As you can see from the video, I'm still dry, so that's definitely a good thing. I haven't spent most of my time on the smaller jet skis. I gotta tell you, this thing is insanely stable. The whole size, everything else from the smaller two-strokes I used to ride in the past, they're just, it's phenomenal, game changer. The engine, being that this is the same engine that you also get in that, means this thing has power for days. Super impressed with it. Can't wait to spend some more time out on the water. And man, like I said, Cowie hit a home run, nailed it out of the park with this one, and can't wait to put some more miles on it.